Friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain numerical problems on geotechnical engineering. All these problems that I am going to explain in this video is already asked in so many examinations. So let's start with our first question. First question: calculate void ratio, porosity and degree of saturation of soil mass of bulk unit weight 1.76, specific gravity of soil mass 2.7 and water content as 30%. First of all, we have to rewrite what all things given in question. It is given bulk unit weight, gamma is 1.76, then specific gravity and it is denoted by G is given as 2.7 and water content is denoted by small w and this is 30% or is equal to 0.3. Okay, then next step we have to find void ratio. It is denoted by small e. Then next comes porosity is denoted by small n, and degree of saturation and it is denoted by capital S. So next we can check how to find out. So solution: we know that bulk unit weight gamma is equal to gamma w G into 1 plus w by 1 plus E. Okay, here we know that the value of gamma is 1.76 and gamma w is taken as 1 and value of G is 2.7 into 1 plus water content 0.3 upon 1 plus E is the only unknown. From this we can calculate the value of E is equal to 0.99. This is approximately equal to 1. Okay. Next we can find out the value of porosity. Porosity N is equal to E by 1 plus E is an important equation. Porosity N is equal to E by 1 plus E. Here N is equal to E by 1 plus E. Value of E is 1. Therefore N is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 1. So the value is 0.5. Then here we know value of E, G and W. Then we have to find out degree of saturation. The very important equation, Wg is equal to Se. From this we can find out the value of degree of saturation. Here water content is 0.3 into value of G is 2.7 equals S into value of E is 1. On solving, degree of saturation S is 81%. Next question: a dry soil has mass specific gravity of 1.35. If the specific gravity of solids is 2.7, then the void ratio will be. In this question, mass specific gravity and specific gravity of solids is given and we have to find out void ratio. So first of all, mass specific gravity and mass specific gravity is denoted by Gm. Gm is given as 1.35 and specific gravity of solids and it is denoted by Gs is 2.7. So we have to find out void ratio. Void ratio is generally denoted by E. We have to find out E. There's an equation relating specific gravity, mass specific gravity of solids and void ratio, and that equation is Gm equals Gs by 1 plus E. On substituting the values of Gm and Gs, we get the value of void ratio E. On solving, E is equal to 1. Next question. A soil is having a specific gravity of 2.6 and a void ratio of 0.78. The water content in percentage required to fully saturate the soil at that void ratio will be. It is given that specific gravity as 2.6 and specific gravity is denoted by G is given as 2.6 and void ratio it is denoted by E, it is given as 0.78. Then water content we have to find out. Water content denoted by W, we have to find out water content. And it is also given that in percentage required, water content is percentage required to fully saturate the soil. That means degree of saturation is 100%. That is equal to 1. So by knowing E, S, G, we have to find out W. By the equation Wg is equal to Se. Here we know that value of all except W. W into 2.6 is equal to 1 in 0.78. On solving, we get W as 0.03. We have to get the value of we have to get the value of W in percentage. So 0.03 is 30%. On solving, we get not the value as 0.03, it is 0.3 and the answer is 30%. Next question. In a wet soil mass, air occupies 1/6 of its volume and water occupies 1/3 of its volume. Then find the void ratio of the soil. Let's check out how we can find out this problem. First of all, let VA as volume of air and VW as volume of water occupies, volume of water, and we can write VV as volume of air voids, and VS as volume of solids, and finally capital V, it is denoted by total volume of soil mass, total volume of soil mass. Okay. Here in this question it is given that volume of air occupies is 1/6 of its volume. So volume of air is 1/6 of total volume, and also given water occupies 1/3 of its volume. Then volume of water is 1/3 of total volume. And we know that volume of void is the sum of volume of air and volume of water. So we can write volume of void is 1/6 of total volume plus 1/3 of total volume, and that is equals 1/2 V. So volume of void is 1/2 V. Here we can find out void ratio, and void ratio is written as void ratio VV is equal to, then we have to find out void ratio. Void ratio is expressed as in terms of volume of voids and volume of soil solids. So here we know that volume of void, but we don't know the value of volume of solids. So volume of solids we can find out by subtracting volume of voids from total volume. That is equal to V minus volume of void is half of total volume. Then volume of solid is 1 by 2 V. From it is clear that void ratio equals volume of void is half V and volume of solid is also half V. That is equal to 1. So the value of void ratio is equal to 1. Next question. A soil sample has porosity 30%, specific gravity of solids 2.72. Calculate void ratio, saturated density, submerged density, dry density and bulk density, and if degree of saturation is 40 degree. First of all, we can write what all things given in question. In this question, it is given that porosity is generally denoted by N as 30% and specific gravity of solids is denoted by G, that is equal to 2.72, and degree of saturation and is denoted by S, that is 40%, that is equal to 0.4. Here we have to find out void ratio denoted by E, then saturated density denoted by gamma saturated, then comes submerged density denoted by gamma sub, then comes dry density denoted by gamma D, next comes bulk density denoted by gamma. First of all, we have to find out void ratio, and we know value of porosity is 30% or is equal to 0.3. So on void ratio is equal to N by 1 minus N. N is 0.3 upon 1 minus 0.3. On solving, we get value of E as 0.43. Okay. Then comes saturated density. Saturated density denoted by gamma saturated equals solution G plus E by 1 plus E into gamma W. Here we know the value of G, E and gamma W. So we can easily find out the value of gamma saturated. On substituting the value of G as 2.72 plus E is 0.43 into value of gamma W is 1 upon 1 plus 0.43. On solving, we get value of gamma saturated as 2.203 and its unit is gram per cc. Next, we have to find out the value of gamma sub, that is gamma submerged unit weight. Gamma submerged, its equation is gamma sub equal to G minus 1 upon 1 plus E into gamma W. Here also we know value of G and E. On substituting, we get 2.72 minus 1 upon 1 plus 0.43 into 1. On solving, it will get 1.203. Also here also gram per cc is the unit. Next, we have to calculate the value of dry unit weight denoted by gamma D. Its equation is G gamma W upon 1 plus E. On substituting, G as 2.72 into 1 upon 1 plus 0.43. On solving, we get 1.902 gram per cc. Okay, and finally we have to find out bulk unit weight denoted by gamma. Its equation is G plus SC upon 1 plus E in gamma W. On substituting, 2.72 plus degree of saturation is 0.4. New E value of E is 0.43 upon 1 plus 0.43 into gamma W is 1. On solving, we get 2.02 gram per cc. Hope you all like my video. If you like my video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.